How to enable home button on iPhone. To use a virtual home button on your screen, first press and hold the side button to activate Siri. Then a search box will appear. To get virtual home button, type on Assistive Touch. Type Assistive Touch. Then tap Done. You will get confirmation message that Assistive Touch is now on, and virtual home button will appear on your screen. From there, you can access the home button function by tapping on the home icon. That's it. Those are the steps to enable the home button on your iPhone. We hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.